Now that we got the carpet going in, I got the wifey helping me today on the finishing tarp up of the L Miata. This carpet didn't come pre-drilled at anything, so I'm going to show you all a trick.
It's pretty snazzy.
So here's the studs for the tarp. What's it called? Soft top. And these actually go through this too.
And you want to make sure this is tucked under.
Yep, so we'll tuck it under, and that's where it would be. You put your thumb or your finger or whatever, that's where I got to hit. So I have a deep socket. I use a 3/8 and an extension. And I'll put it over that hole, and then we'll just grab a hammer and lightly tap it. Bam.
Comes right on through.
And just like that, we have a hole for it, and we're set. There's a little bug in here.
Is that a wasp?
No, it's like one of those little death-eating flies. So we're gonna finish this up. We're gonna hammer everything. Neighbor's mowing. We're gonna just pick it up, put it in. Ugh. It's kind of hard to do. Right there. That's where it needs to be. Smack this bad boy on there, and
Boom.
all done.
Ta-da!
And just like that, we'll get it all done. Put the bolts back on because we don't have a soft top yet. And the carpet will be done. It'll be El Finito. Actually, now we have to put spots here, in which she did that too.
Yeah, I did. All by myself.
Another trick. Where's that? Do you have the pokey thing?
The pick?
The pick?
Yeah.
To do that.
Nope, that's a screwdriver. I don't know where I put it.
The pick's gone. We have a pick somewhere around here. And what we did for this is we found out where the hole was, kind of guesstimated where it would be on the carpet, where my finger is. Took a pick and we poked, and we kept poking until it went in. Once it went in, we kept the pick inside the carpet, plied it up, and then we put a Phillips through the other side, pushed it through, and we took a drill and kind of just drilled out all the fuzz and the glue, so we could put a what do they call them? A plastic tab on it.
Spigot thing.
Okay, here's the thing right here. We can show them now. Yeah,
Are
we'll
we
go
doing
up.
it with this?
Yeah, we'll just do it right there. So, kind of guesstimate where it would go.
Or, if you want to be easy, just find the hole. Go
Oh wow,
right
first
through
try. Is that it?
Yeah.
Oh wow. And then pull it up. Pull it out. And you take the Phillips. Wow.
I mean, it wouldn't go through metal.
That was impressive. Push it through.
I mean, you can still see the hole.
Yeah, it's just glue. Put it in. And if that's not enough, and the carpet's still in the way, which it's gonna be, we grab a drill.
And you just drill out the hole.
So, put the hole right there.
Yeah.
I'll put it in, make sure it's it before I start drilling like a crazy madman. And then I just kind of, and all it's doing is just picking up that carpet.
See how that goes?
And I'm not
Looks
pushing
like a
down or
rat's
anything, I'm
nest.
just going in a circle a little bit. And then bam, there's our hole.
And then you just put the little spigot through and knock it out. Which we'll show you that when we're done because we got to get the top part on first. So,
Yep, yep, yep.
all right.
Ah.
Bye.
If you ever get in a bind on working on a automotive carpet or something, go buy your wife a Starbucks, make her drink half of it, and she'll go to town on the carpet.
Shut up.
But she's finishing it up, the little plastic clips that we were talking about. And we got this all in here. Make sure when you're doing these though, that you push the lump, you push it flat to the wall. So this goes up to where it needs to go. These cuts, it looks like this was a little bit off, which is fine, just for that nut. It looks like they have it cut that way for a reason. I know the tarpet or the soft top and stuff kind of like lock into places in here. So I think that's why it's split and stitched like that. But we went ahead and did an extra measure. I cut too much off this carpet, and she put a piece of new carpet that I cut off from the trimming from the front and remounted it in here. This won't be seen though right here because the center console will go in there.
We have the drill.
The drill. And yeah, that's about it, honestly. After she finishes that, We're gonna push these back down nice and soft and glue the bottoms like they were OEM. Do a little glue at the very bottom, that way it stays kind of bubbled down. Speaker wire for the, I think this is a Miata speaker in the rear, I don't know. I don't know if they want to keep doing that or what, if they want like a custom box or tiny speaker in the back. We'll figure that out in the future, but the carpet is done. Actually, no, the only thing that we're missing is the trimming part, which it's just going to be a trim here. This all folds over, but I want to take the staples out of this and use these little staple guides again on this new carpet. So we'll get it all figured out. I might actually be able to just overlap it and then put them in. But once we get that side down over there, and Heather can help me on that side over here, and that's it. Oh yeah, and then we have to cut. We'll cut right here. So we're gonna do all that and show you the final result of the carpet now that we got the biggest headache done, which was the main body part. And she's almost done with that side. And of course you gotta vacuum and clean it up. But, I mean, for a $100 carpet, this is honestly nicer than the other carpet, I feel like. And yeah, we're getting there, guys. So on to the more work onto the all right, we got it all. Let me get the light. I have a flashlight. This is another video. You guys will see that coming soon.
Oh, this isn't gonna
go. Nah, that isn't gonna go there. So we got it all in, shaped up, nice and pretty.
I did that side.
I did this side. Just gotta get vacuum still. That just throws me off how it slits that way, but I guess the other one did too. I had to go back.
Gas tank thing in.
Yeah, she put the gas mount in.
It pops.
Pops up. Got it done. I'm gonna have to take it out again and cut right here for the carpet, but I'm not worried about the shifter stuff yet because I have to order a piece. The tombstone is also taken apart, but that's for the radio. What's the point of putting it back in and just take it back out? Here's more ugly carpet. Here's this side. Whammo, whammo, whammo. Whammo. Everything looks pretty darn good down here. Mosquitoes are in here. So we're pretty much done for the day, but we're also done with the car. The car looks great. Very happy that it's done. Could not have done it today without Heather. Apparently she's got upholstery skills from God. But here's that shift piece I was talking about. I had to bend it out because it was rusted on. So this is getting replaced anyways because the boot's gone. And that'll go right over in between that and the shifter. So I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna order the shift knob boot and the little retainer thing. Just because it's already out of the car, you might as well replace it for them so they don't have any issues. It'll feel like it shifts good. And that's about it, honestly. Put the tombstone back in. Radio, I'm pretty excited for. I like doing stuff like that. Door, I'll go ahead and buy the door latches too. And we'll get it figured out. But we're going to vacuum it and clean her up. But that's the final episode of the Dead Gum Carpet. And man, was it a headache. What was it, a week and a half now?
I don't know.
In between jobs?
Probably.
Luckily I had the day off, so.
Luckily you had my help.
That is true. This is true. So now we're gonna vacuum out this ugly rat poop seats. Still gonna, I don't know if they need to be replaced or not. We may end up, it feels fine. We may just do like a, what do they call them, seat cover?
Yeah.
Seat cover over all this. These are the wires to the speaker in there. I'm gonna see if they work. If they don't work, I'm gonna snip them. The speaker's probably shot. But we're gonna clean it all up. I'm gonna put that last 10 mil in right up here for the dash, which takes like 2.5 hours. She's gonna vacuum and we're gonna end it here until I get some more parts in for the car. I'll go ahead and order the exhaust piece too for the cat back. And yeah, we're gonna get it on the road. So that'll be it for today. I got my hair cut, Heather chopped it off. I got gear oil in it and then just had to go. Had to go bye-bye.
Turning the vacuum on.
She's turning the vacuum on now, so that's the end of the video. That's the end of the video. We're out. Have a good day. Time to clean.